How to fold a metal blade for a saw machine. To do this, you need to learn how to skillfully work with your hands. Many processes in enterprises are automated. Parts are mass-produced by machines. This helps to reduce production costs. Automated lathes can produce parts quickly and with high precision. Such lathes contribute to the development of production in a short time.
The skillful hands of the workers do their work very quickly. This kind of work requires special qualifications. In order to move huge loads and sea vessels, strong and powerful chains are needed. Such chains are made at foundries from durable metal.
Any glass product can be made from molten glass. Also, a piece of molten glass is used to form glass sheets for glazing windows. This work is carried out by experts. In today's world, girls work just like men. They can do almost any job. This girl works great with a drill. She repairs the fence near her house. Modern technologies and woodworking equipment help to create any shape from wood. This is the process of making a trim for a round arch doorway from a piece of wood. This metallurgical enterprise has been manufacturing metal products for many years. Scrap metal is first melted, then metal blanks are formed from the molten metal for further use. How to make a round ball from a piece of plastic. This requires a special machine. This machine grinds plastic and creates the desired shape. After that, the ball is still polished. There are very strong girls. This girl, although thin, can lift a stone circle. The stone circle is part of a grain mill. Gold is an expensive metal. It is mined by hard labor from rocks. Then it is melted down in production. The molten gold is then used to form gold bars. Finished gold bars have a high temperature. In order to cool them, the ingots are placed in water. After that, they can be taken in hand. Metallurgists are very courageous people. Their work is very hard and dangerous. In production, they work with molten metal. Molten metal has a very high temperature. Therefore, working in such an enterprise, you need to be very careful. In today's world, a solid house can be built from separate parts. Separate concrete parts for the construction of such a house are called puzzles. They fit into each other to form a solid wall. Having this form, you can make bricks for construction right at home. Such bricks are formed from a special mortar. After manufacturing, such bricks need to dry well. How are vegetables grown in Vietnam? For irrigation, use a device for spraying water. The device moves along the channel. A motor is used for movement.